Assalamu Alaikum everyone. I am starting a series to guide you step by step on how to perform Umrah correctly. In this video, I'll explain everything about Ihram, the first step of Umrah. Many people get confused about when to wear it, when to make intention, and what is allowed or not. In this video, I will explain everything about Ihram step by step so you can perform your Umrah correctly and peacefully, inshallah. So, let us first understand what is Ihram. Ihram is not just clothing. It is a special state of worship that you enter before performing Umrah. Once you enter this state, certain things becomes prohibited and you must follow specific rules. So here's how to prepare for Ihram. Before entering Ihram, it is recommended to prepare yourself properly. You should take a bath or perform ghusl, trim your nails, remove unwanted body hair. This is your preparation before entering Ihram. If you wish, you can pray 2 rakats after preparing, wearing Ihram and before leaving your house. But this is a sunnah and is not compulsory. Now, the next question is, what do men wear in Ihram? For men, Ihram consists of 2 white unstitched cloths. One cloth is wrapped around the lower body and the other is placed over the upper body. Men should not wear stitched clothes, underwear or cover their head. They can wear sandals that leave the ankles and toes visible. Now, what do women wear in Ihram? For women, there is no specific Ihram dress. They can wear any modest Islamic clothing. However, they should not wear niqab or gloves. They can cover their head normally with a hijab. Now let us understand when and where to wear Ihram. You can wear Ihram clothes at home, at the airport, or before your journey. But wearing the clothes does not mean you have entered the state of Ihram. Now let us understand when should you make intention. This is very important. If you wear Ihram from home, you should not make intention at home. You should make intention only when you are close to the Miqat. For example, if you're traveling by flight, make sure you make intention when the pilot announces Miqat. If you're traveling by road, make intention at the Miqat. When does Ihram actually start? Ihram begins only when you make intention in your heart and recite the Talbiyah, which is Labbaik Allahumma Umrah. From this moment, you are in the state of Ihram. Once you enter the state of Ihram, keep reciting Talbiyah frequently. Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik. Continue until you begin Tawaf. What is not allowed in Ihram? After entering Ihram, avoid perfume or scented products, cutting nails or hair, arguments or fights, intimacy. Men must not wear stitched clothes or cover their head. Women must not wear niqab or gloves. When does Ihram end? Ihram ends after completing Umrah and cutting your hair. What if you cross Miqat without Ihram? If you cross Miqat without entering Ihram, you must go back. If you do not return, you must give a penalty called dam. I will explain Miqat in detail, including when dam is required in the next video, so make sure to watch it. If this video helped you, share it with someone who is planning their Umrah. May Allah accept your Umrah and make it easy for you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to watch the other videos in this series to understand the complete step-by-step guide to performing Umrah.